Here we are, another unboxing video. This one is an unboxing video of the Ford Ka Mark 1 black Lexus style rear lights. We're going to get these opened up and have a little closer look. Again, always packaged really well, designed for mail order. We don't have any damages. This is a product we've sold for quite a number of years now and still sell quite a few. So these are fully plug and play. There's no messing about with any wiring loom. It just plugs directly into the back of the vehicle. There is 3 bulbs on each side. Bulbs are supplied with this light and they just click in like that should you ever need to change them. So what we have here is a matte black background with a total crystal clear rear lens, and then you've got an integrated rear reflector. These are fully road legal, they are MOT compliant, and these are also E-marked.